like we got a handicap parking cheater with a bad tag right here. Hey there, it's tow trucker here. I'm back at the lot. Just brought this handicap parking cheater to the lot, and we got a lot of cars here. I just pulled up at this body shop, man. And I pulled up behind these two handicap parking cheaters. I got them blocked in. Maybe they'll no placard, no handicap, no placard on that one, no handicap, and these are both painted and tagged. I blocked these in. Maybe they'll be out here waiting on me when I come out. Maybe we can talk to them when they come out. We'll see what happens. Hey there, I'm back over here at these cars. Nobody came out. I believe these cars right here belong to the employees, or they belong to the Enterprise rental car. So that's what Enterprise thinks about their handicap parking. They just pull in there and block the handicap spots. That's pretty nice, Enterprise. We're back over here at the Enterprise. Let's check these cars out, see if they got more rental cars parked in the handicaps. That's a rental there. Definitely another rental. Another rental. Yeah, they got tags. These are rental cars. Enterprise rental cars parked. They're parked in their handicap spots. That's real nice. That's real nice, Enterprise. Uber driver parked in the handicap, man. Wow.